In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete attachments in Gmail. Deleting email attachments you no longer need is a great way to free up space and keep your inbox organized. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. We'll be using this to locate all the emails containing attachments. Click on the search field and type in has attachment. This search command allows Gmail to filter your emails, showing only those with attachments. It's a handy tool for sorting through your inbox and targeting the specific emails you want to manage. Next, you'll see a list of emails with attachments. To select them, go to the upper left corner of the email list and you'll see a checkbox icon. Click that checkbox to select all emails on the current page. If your list runs long, Gmail might ask if you want to select all conversations that match this search, not just the ones on this page. If that's the case, click on the prompt to include every email with an attachment in your account, maximizing the efficiency of this cleanup. Now that you have selected the emails with attachments, it's time to remove them. You will find a trash can icon, also known as the delete icon, typically located just above your list of emails in the toolbar. Click on this icon and Gmail will move the selected emails to the trash folder. Deleting emails sends them to the trash rather than permanently removing them initially, giving you some safety in case you delete something you didn't mean to. The trash folder in Gmail holds deleted items for 30 days, so you have time to recover any mistakes. That concludes the basic steps. You've searched for emails with attachments, selected them and deleted them. Remember, this process helps clear up precious storage space, especially useful if you're approaching your Gmail storage limit. If you ever clean up more deeply, consider reviewing your trash folder to permanently delete these items sooner, which will immediately free up the space they occupied. Thank you for watching. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher or share it with others needing Gmail storage advice. Keep your inbox tidy, and until next time, happy emailing.